Alright, so let's get to it. So on the back side, you have your 5 long screws around the outside. I'll remove those and kind of separate them first. I'll set those off to the side. And you got your 2 screws for your heat sink on the side here. And you have your 4 pressure screws for your processor. You could remove this back plate too. As soon as you remove those first 5, should come off rather easily. It's kind of nice to have on there just in case you slip. Once you got it unscrewed, it should separate rather easily from pretty much everything. I'm going to get this backside fan clip first. You have 2 fan clips. All you really need to do is separate one, so there's that, and then we can just kind of flip it over.